representation of your public key. And there's also something called a private key, which is kind of like your password in a sense. Basically, it's something that gets done through a hashing function to represent your public key, and this is actually a subset of that. So what I'm about to show you is going to reveal your private key. So I don't really recommend that you do this. This isn't the best way of doing this, but I just wanted to show you that you can do it. So you can actually create an account with Web3 like this. So you can say, web3.eth.accounts, create, call it a function, and there you go. You have a brand new account on the Ethereum blockchain. This is on the main network. So if you're watching this, do not use this account because anyone who's ever seen this video will know the private key, which is essentially your password. So if you're going to use this as joining on Ether, they could steal it. So don't do that. But that's how you would do this with Web3. And there's lots of better ways, but I just wanted to show you the capability at the link. While we're here, just as a bonus, we're talking about connecting to the main Ethereum network, to a Ethereum node with JSON RPC. And I wanted to show you how you can connect to a local private Ethereum network for your own development purposes with Web3.
Una, sukatin mo yung taas. Magala na parang kayo medyo iron. Tsaka yung lakay. Kasi bibili ako ng coffee. Yan yung bitanan. Pangalawa, bigyan mo ako ng, may mga hook pa ako din eh. Tapos maglagali pa ako ka na maglalagay ako ng tina. Tapos sukatin mo dito kung gano'n kakahaba. Tsaka yung taas. So kasi pag nanonood ako, liwanag dito eh. Tapos ito pa. Kaya maglalagay ako tina. O kaya kung kaya mo kortina pa ganun. Okay? Hindi naman urgent, pero bago ka balik. Huwag mo kalimutan.
Do that. If you want to deploy a smart contract to a local private blockchain or something like that, you may want to connect to a blockchain locally. Now, like I said earlier, you can do that with Geth. But instead of showing you how to get started with Geth, it can be complicated and daunting, for the first-time user. So I'm going to show you how to do it with Ganache, or Test RPC, which it used to be called. You can run this via the command line, or you can run it with this GUI. You might have seen some of my other tutorials where I show you how to use Ganache. So Ganache is basically a private in-memory blockchain. Works a little bit differently than Geth, but it does pretty well for development purposes. So basically, it shows you right here, the RPC server address. This is essentially localhost, port 7545. And, we can copy this and connect to Web3 client. Connect to it with the Web3 client. So open back our Node console, and we'll say, same thing we did earlier. We said var Web3 equals require Web3, and we'll create a new connection. Var Web3 equals new Web3 HTTP. Paste that in and do this. All right. And then what we can do is say Open Ganache back up. We can take this address right here, copy it, and we'll just say web3 eth.get balance. Pass in that address, and we'll pass the callback function. Say we'll call it way, and we'll say web3.utils.from way, and pass in way. Say Ethan. And we'll I think I got that right. Oops. A little error here, guys. Sorry, a typo. So you web3.utils. Oops. Almost, guys. Let's see, balance. Alright, let's see what the balance is. Boom, there we go, 100, which is exactly what this reads in Ganache, so 100 ETH. Alright, so that's it for our introduction to the Web3 library about how you can, read account balances. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the next videos in this series, where I'll be talking about how you can write data to the blockchain and read, information from smart contracts and work with smart contracts and look at blocks and things like that. And I haven't totally decided where we're going to go with this yet, but yeah, we'll definitely kind of dig into Web3 more and cover some more topics. But I hope you enjoyed this introduction. So like I said, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University. Hey everybody, this is Gregory from Dapp University, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Web3.js library. And this is the main JavaScript library for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. I'm going to show you how to use Web3 to interact with smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. So check out the previous videos in this series for an overview of what Web3 is and how it works. But it's not necessary. You can just kind of jump into this video and follow along, and you'll probably have a good idea of what's going on. And once these videos are done, I'm going to post them to my website with some code examples so that you can have those for reference.